Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out on my fields. I've got the CTX with me today. I left the GPX at home because it's still a bit cloudy and drizzly and horrible. But I've got a load of targets. I could have some hammered coins and spectacular relics. So let's go and see what they are. Woohoo! Go look at that there. You see the depression in the ground? That's where a deer has been sleeping the night. We're having a bit of a rest. A deer has just been sitting there, look. So if you're out in the fields and you see these odd depressions, that's where Bambi has been having a rest. Oh, my first doll was a bit of foil. My second doll is a relic. It's a relic of a bygone era. There she blows. It's a cow knob. When they used to plough the fields with moo cows. Moo. Cow knob, so that the cows didn't puncture each other and the handlers. They used to screw these right hot onto the ends of the tips of the horns and then file the tip bit off, and you'd get a nasty bruise, but you wouldn't be impaled and ripped apart by a nasty cow. Someone once asked me, where's the best place to find hammered coins? Well, I don't know if you can see all the way in there, but there's a slight depression in the ground in there, and that's where an old pond used to be. It's no longer there anymore. And around the edges of the pond, what you do is you find where the ground slopes in, the least gradient slopes in, and that's where hundreds of years ago, before farmers had cow troughs, they would have taken their animals, their oxes, cows, in to have a drink. Just rode them in on the wall, sort of tied up to the carts. Now I've got a lovely signal just here, which could be a hammy. I found it. Well, I haven't found it. I can't see what it is yet. Let's just turn that off. Right, so it's in here. It's in there. Have I got a hammy or a piece of cack? Yeah. Where's me hammy? Oh, where's it to? Must be a very small hammy. Can't see it. It's in there somewhere. Right, let's move you back a touch. Get me pinpointer on that little pile of mud. No. Something just dropped out. And it is a small piece of cack. Pesky cack. Oh, I got a lovely signal down here. Oh, don't know. Sounds nice. Right there, right there. Oh, look. Can't see anything at the minute. Ooh, right on it. Ooh, I felt something. Ooh, what's that? Oh, looks coppery green. It's coppery green. Right, let's turn that off. We know where it is now. And what is it? Is it bigger than a... It's bigger than a coin. Oh, could be an ancient relic. It's coppery green. It's big. Oh, you see it down there? Let's get you a bit of a better angle. Let's get you over there, because this could be something spectacular. It's going to move. No, it's not going to move, so it's quite big. It's big, it's really big, and it's coppery green. It moved, it moved. It's a chunk of a medieval cooking cauldron. It's a good big piece. Right, I'm going to get that cleaned up and I'll get back to you. I'm not sure now that it is a piece of a cooking cauldron. It looks as if it's folded over. Pieces of metal there, look, and you can see a gap all the way through. It's all clogged up with black stuff, unless that's soot. I've tried to clean it out, but it's rock solid, whatever's in there. It could be pitch. But yeah, it's a piece of copper folded over there. And then look at the profile. It looks a bit strange, doesn't it? So yeah, whatever that is. Looks like 3 pieces of metal. 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, it's metal. It's really strange. Right, whatever that is. This could be really old. Really old. Ooh. Come on, all you experts, what do you think that is? I'm going to detect around here a little bit to see if I can find any more of it. But I somehow doubt it, because most of the time when I try that, it never seems to work. They reckon some things can move a distance of 80 meters in the plough, which is incredible. That's like a long way off from here, I can tell you. Right, let's see if I can find some more of it. Oh, I've got a much lower signal here. It's not as same as the pot thing that I found. It's a much lower signal. Still, could be a hammered coin. Oh, it's down here. It's right here. In amongst all this lovely mud. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, I better get the camera on a stand. I think I might have another relic. Oh, what's that? It's all look decorative. Oh. Oh, gee, it's a bit brittle. So whatever that bit is, just put that there a minute. See what this is. Oh, no, that's just the back of it. Oh, there's the pin, what's left of it. So this obviously went in there. There's some sort of a decorative brooch. It's very brittle. Yeah, some sort of a little pin type thing. Lovely jubbly. Oh, what's that on there? Is that a root? Get off, Mr. Root. Oh, yeah. Lovely jubbly. Right, see if we can find some more relics. Oh, noise cancel 11. Oh, sounds like a lovely moo tube. 1246 could be silver. Could be silver. That'd be really nice, a bit of silver. Let's get rid of this grass that's in your way. Let's see down here a bit better. Let's right there, and I'm right on it. I'm right on it. Oh, what's that there? Oh, looks like a relic. Not another relic. Oh, it looks like silver. I'll get you down here. Oh, it looks like silver. What's that there? Is it a spoon? Oh, it's a spoon. It's a good big spoon. Oh, it's down there, right. Yeah, I think it's right in there. It's broken. Right, I'll get you on the back on the camera stand. Oh, I thought that was going to be silver, but it looks more like pewter now. Oh, but look at the decoration on it. It's epic. Wow, I'm going to get that cleaned up and I'm going to get back to you. Woohoo! Relics galore! Go on, look at the intricate design on that little baby. High Victorian, I'd say. Yeah, nothing on the back. And it goes down to an old brake. I did try and look for the other end, but it's gone. It might be nearby. But yeah, look at that. Spectacular. Oh, I got a lovely signal down here. It's over this side. Right, let's get you over there. Right there. Ugh, squelch. Oh, I feel something, possibly. Oh, yeah, I feel something hard. Oh, did I move it? No. Right, where's my spade? Because that looks a bit deeper and bigger. Hopefully I'll now have it. It's right there. What's that, coal? There's a bit of coal there. Lots of coal. We've got a big chunk of it there. Yeah. Whether that was a lump of charcoal. Oh, right, we're getting there eventually, methinks. No. I think I moved it. Did I move it? Oh, I moved it. Oh, I can see it. Ugh. All that for a pesky bridal ring. Ugh. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm cream crackered. I've started this beer already, as you know. Yeah, Abbot Ale. One of my favourites is Abbot Ale. Yep, so I've had a pretty good day today. I found some lovely relics. That spoon handle. Why are they always spoons? You never seem to find many forks or knives. Mostly spoons. I suppose back then they just shoveled it in. And that pot, whatever that piece of pot is, that look, I've never found a piece like that before. That's got to be really intriguing. That bit, that could be quite old. You know, because it had like almost had layers to it. And that's a bit weird. So yeah, and then some other nicks and knacks. And oh yeah. Oh, yesterday, I apologise yesterday if I didn't answer too many comments to my videos, because I got home, I had to rush out, do some shopping, come home, make sure the videos were going up. I had me tea, and I thought I'd just go and have a lie down for 5 minutes, which is fatal, and then I didn't wake up till about 11 o'clock at night. I watched a bit more telly and went back to sleep. But yeah, I'm no spring chicken anymore. Doing metal detecting every day is quite exhausting. You know, doing it, you can imagine what you feel like after a weekend of metal detecting, 2 days on the trot. Try doing it 7 days a week. And then having to rush home and get all the videos and everything like sorted, and talk to like try at least try and talk to some people. Oh yeah, it's intense, this metal detecting lark. Well, making videos as well, but oh, it's the best hobby in the world. And for me, it's a hobby that pays. Woohoo! Quid's in. Oh, yep. I'm going to finish this here lovely beer, have a few puffs on my vaporizer, and I'm going to get off home and I'm going to start putting these videos up. And then I'll probably have my tea and fall asleep without answering any more comments. Oh, yeah, so I apologise for not answering comments. Cheers!